You may not notice their existence as they are often hidden from your sight. However, with their support behind, you may find them improving your life. DTC Dongtai, a well-known brand of home and furniture fittings. As a manufacturing group, Dongtai has constructed a powerful production system through 30 years of accumulation of experience. Integrated with R&D and manufacturing, Dongtai provides a full range of hardware accessories to kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, and office industries, as well as property development companies. 4 production sites are under the group, with a manufacturing area of 600,000 square meters. Being a China national high-tech enterprise, Dongtai has a team of professional R&D staff. The technical center is the government-awarded center in the field of furniture hardware research and development. Every year, a large number of products with innovative functions and patent protection are developed by ourselves, which is highly appreciated and supported by our business partners. The Innovation Exhibiting Center, integrated with display, communication, training, and testing, provides a comprehensive furniture hardware solution for furniture manufacturers, property developers, and home decor companies. In the testing center, quality standards are from Europe and the other parts of the world and are followed in the test laboratory on daily basis. Thus, product function and life are strictly checked and watched. A great deal of production equipments imported from Germany and Italy, large-scale continuous automatic improvement, have added credits on our products in respect of technology and accuracy. Supported by a team of technicians, highly caliber product designers and tooling designers, Dongtai spares no effort in developing various home and furniture fittings. Dongtai Group, having extensive product lines, excellent product quality, and considerate customer services, provides each client with a total furniture hardware solution. The double-wall drawer system is suitable for a variety of premium kitchen and bathroom furniture. A smooth movement, a gentle soft closing provides better arrangement for drawer inner space. The Pivot Star soft close hinges is 4-dimensional, adjustable, having the ability of adjusting door closing speed. Wide opening angle brings more comfort for access. A full series of drawer slides are designed for kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and office furniture. We provide a suitable solution according to different usage conditions. The sliding door system with a patented soft closing mechanism, which brings gentle and smooth door opening and closing. The lifting system product enables the flap door to be opened upward, which makes the wall cabinet storage easy and convenient. The flap door may stay at any position and close softly. DTC Dongtai, enhancing your home living experience. Now, having an R&D team of 256 people, 5 ranges of products, over 10,000 items, 1,284 pieces patents granted in China and abroad. DTC is not merely a trademark, but also a quality guarantee and a great reputation. As an international renowned brand, DTC is widely presented in exhibitions and is very often shown at airports, high-speed railway stations, and freeways, etc. In the daily operation, a robust quality management system has been embodied. automation has been widely implemented in hinge and drawer slide production processes, such as stamping, assembly, and packaging. Electroplating is conducted independently by factory under the group. The cyanide-free automatic plating line produces environmental-friendly hardware, which fulfills the total environmental needs for a healthy life. Supported by a full racking system, the Dong Tai warehousing department has every component and product barcoded and scanned in the daily in and out operation. Shipping platforms are divided into 2 areas respectively for local trucking and overseas containers. Outbound shipments are very well organized. Today, the DTC products massively entering into the high-end markets of developed countries are in full compliance with American and European test standards. In the international markets, through collaboration with overseas brand agencies, products and services of the Dong Tai Hardware Group and the brand DTC enjoy an increasingly popularity among customers from all over the world. Professional, considerate, eco-friendly, and systematic Dong Tai Hardware Group, a young, dynamic, and innovative enterprise. Looking forward, Dong Tai will advance with the times, make continuous innovation to provide competitive furniture hardware solution, and keep striving to create greater value for all the customers.